I'm going to share with you guys today how we helped creators earn over $100 million using Alfan's tools to make money. The secret behind our goal to actually help creators generate over $1 billion using Alfan. Whether you're a creator trying to make money or a brand that's looking to work with creators, this channel's for you. I'm going to be documenting the behind the scenes of Alfan, building it to become a billion-dollar company, and at the same time, really highlighting the secrets that helped get us to where we are today, and the learnings that are going to come out through the process. And my goal for this channel is to help you guys as creators or as brands really succeed online, because that's the best way we're going to build this ecosystem, which is called the creator economy. I'm Mohammad Fattal, the founder and CEO of Alfan. I started in this creator economy back in 2008. While I was in high school, I was making YouTube videos, compiling funny clips, videos of cars, and I put them up on YouTube. And I ended up realizing how easy it was to get views at the time. But back then, there was no way you can make money online. But I had a lot of joy in making content that would get hundreds of thousands of views. Fast forward to a couple years, while in university, I started a social media management agency focused on helping YouTubers build up their channels. And that really helped me learn the experience without making money, because at the time, people weren't convinced about the idea of the value behind building a YouTube channel. And in 2012 in July, YouTube unlocked monetization on Google AdSense here in the Middle East, and that's when things took it for me. After graduating from university, I realized that this is a career that I could do full time, and that's when I decided to build Alfan. I started looking for the biggest creators, or the creators that had the potential to be the biggest in the creator economy. I discovered creators like the Anasada family, Noor Stars, and many other creators in the market. Working with those creators, we've helped 10x their revenues, we helped close six-figure opportunities for them, and really take it to the next level. And that's why today, you see them as one of the biggest creators in the creator economy, especially here in the Middle East. Working with the biggest creators taught me a lot of lessons. And one of those major lessons is that how to build a business, what works and what doesn't work. And at the same time, I ended up realizing that many creators today didn't understand the ability of how to monetize. Everybody wanted to build a business, and I really got to see how the creator economy can transform somebody from being in their bedroom to really helping them be one of the most successful people in the world. Understanding the opportunity of the ecosystem, the biggest challenge that creators struggled with was monetization. And I was set on building Alfan as the platform to help creators monetize their audience. Working with creators, going from making $10,000 a year to making $1 million plus has really taught us a lot of lessons. And we're taking that same playbook that we were able to use to really transform their lives, putting it into one simple app that can really enable anybody with a passion and a dream to really be able to succeed. In 2025, the age of AI and all these tools that are coming out make it much easier for us to succeed. And we at Alfan have really helped creators build a shop or a storefront that can enable you in minutes to go live and start to make money, whether it's making money through your fans or through brands. In today's day and age in the creator economy, it's no longer about just going viral to make money. It's about the value of content that you create and targeting the people that are perfect that would become your customers eventually. With 30,000 followers, I was able to kind of use that traffic to really build Alfan and help it to get where it is today. And a lot of the leads that we get from creators and brands have really come through my socials or through our company's socials. And understanding that power, even with small numbers where you can start generating tens of millions of dollars a year, really helped me understand that the same playbook that we were able to kind of build on us will now be also built for you guys. We're not here to sell you a course. There's nothing that you have to pay for. But the lessons that I'm about to share with you guys will be the lessons that will transform your business as a creator or as a brand who works with creators. We helped 1,500 creators make $100 million. A lot of those creators made their money from platforms, from brands, and working with fans. We launched e-commerce stores, we launched courses, we launched major brand deals, and that has really helped us to learn how can we now enable not just 1,500 creators to succeed, but imagine 100,000 creators to succeed, 1 million creators to succeed. And that's the mission that we're after. There's a reason why Elon Musk, who runs Tesla, and Tesla has less sales than GM, Toyota, and all of those companies, but it is worth more than all of them combined. That's the power of brand, influence, and innovation. And that's what we're trying to do here at Alfan as well. The biggest two ways that a lot of creators will succeed without having to have hundreds of millions of followers are monetizing through your audience and through brands. We're on a mission to help 100,000 creators make $1 billion. And we're going to be doing that in 3 different ways. With Alfan.io, you're able to launch a shop that's able to help you sell digital products, courses, or even coaching calls that can really give you a better relationship with your audience and fans. The second way is by launching a shop recommending your favorite products. Think of the shirt I'm wearing, the watch, the microphone. the makeup that you use, being able to recommend an item that you love and making a commission every time one of your fans actually purchases through your link, that kind of commission adds up. And at the end of the day, people follow you because they trust you and they value your opinion. And recommending something through you has a lot of value to it. Referring those people to it can be very rewarding. And third, by packaging that data that we get from your ability to kind of sell towards your audience, we take that and send it to brands, which allow more brands to want to work directly with you. And those brands have less risk because they understand that working with somebody like you as a creator will actually be a rewarding experience for both sides. By putting all of this into a beautiful app that allows you to operate and run your creator business, even today with 1,000 followers, you're able to succeed. And that's the most beautiful thing. When I see somebody with 3,000 followers making $1,000 a month, it really proves to us the impact that even somebody with 100,000 followers or 1 million followers, what that can really do to transform their business. It's not about chasing that 1 million views where you get a couple $1,000s out of. It's about how can you build a sustainable connection between you and your audience and provide them value, whether it's in your fashion sense, in your beauty sense, or educational sense, and being rewarded for every single aspect from that transaction. I'm excited to share with you guys the journey behind building something like this, because at the end of the day, seeing that impact firsthand, you guys seeing those stories come to life is going to really motivate you to build up your careers. And for brands, you will literally learn how to engage with those creators and get a return on your investment. Because at the end of the day, what a brand is doing and what a creator is doing is they're both trying to find success through the social world. And that's what we're here to help you guys achieve. If you're a creator that's looking to drive impact and build a strong business in the creator economy, or you're a brand looking to maximize your return through creators, this channel's for you. I'm going to be documenting the journey of building Alfan to $1 billion company and really highlighting the ways that you both can succeed in the beautiful creator economy. And if you want to start monetizing today, it'll take you a few minutes. Sign up to alfan.io and launch your creator store and watch the dollars come in.